Have you ever been surrounded by people, yet feel alone? Loneliness has been studied and extensively written about, winning singers their Grammys, writers their Pulitzer Prizes, and medical professionals their awards. Yet, while some people still battle the overwhelming, confining, and pervasive nature of loneliness, their suffering often goes unnoticed by others. I've been there, and I want to help. This week's Torah portion, Nitzavim, begins, Atem Nitzavim hayom, kulchem lifne Hashem. You are standing this day, all of you, before Hashem. Nitzavim is specifically written in the plural, meaning it's not just that you are standing before God, but we are all standing with you together. Sometimes life can be challenging. Always remember, you are not alone. There is always someone there to help. In Hebrew, words with similar letters originate from the same root and therefore have an inherent connection. Atem Nitzavim, you are standing. Nitzavim is connected to the Hebrew word matzav, which means situation. We together are in a situation, this situation called life. It's not news that life is full of challenges, but even when you feel you are facing a challenge by yourself, there is always someone who can offer guidance and support. Don't give up. Reach out when you need to. And it's also up to us to be aware of who is nimtzaim, who is standing with us, who perhaps is in need of our support. And most of all, remember that we are standing before God. Especially as we approach Rosh Hashanah, this is the time to focus on our relationship with others, our relationship with ourselves, and our relationship with the one above. Stand together, stand strong, and stand up for what is right. Thanks to each and every one of you. Please leave me comments and questions below, and remember to click like. And most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe or follow and share the videos across your social media so we can continue to bring you new content each week, uniting people by inspiring them to increase in random acts of goodness and kindness through technology and Torah. See you next time, and good Shabbos. And like I always say, do your best today. You've traded a day of your life for it.